Aloha everyone, welcome back to another Hawaii walking tour video. Today, we're exploring Whalers Village Shopping Mall in beautiful Ka'anapali, Maui. This open-air shopping center is nestled right in the heart of Ka'anapali Beach and offers the perfect blend of shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. This three-level shopping center is home to nearly 100 shops and restaurants, making it a must-visit spot on your next trip to Maui. In this video, we'll be showing you around the mall, including some new things for 2024. Our walk begins at the front entrance, where we're greeted by a giant 40-foot long sperm whale skeleton. The front entrance also has a bus stop and is the pickup and drop-off spot for the Ka'anapali Trolley. This complimentary trolley services the Ka'anapali Resort area and golf course. Pickups are approximately every 30 minutes starting at 10 a.m. To view the pickup times, visit ka'anapalitrolley.info/schedule. There's also a parking garage located on site. Parking costs $4 for every 30 minutes. Parking validation is available at some shops and restaurants. If you're finding this video helpful so far, do us a favor and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. Mahalo. If you're craving a delicious takeout meal, look no further than the Nani Pirates. Their mouth-watering menu items make it an excellent choice for food on the go. The ABC store is a great place for snacks and souvenirs. Let's take a quick look inside. Just above the ABC store, you'll find Banyan Tree Tattoo. Previously known as Blue Hawaii Tattoo, they had to relocate due to the devastating Lahaina wildfires. Be sure to check them out. We're now approaching the other end of Whalers Village. Here you'll find 3 great restaurants: Monkeypod, Hula Grill, and Leilani's. We're now crossing the beach path that runs parallel to the ocean. It connects the surrounding resorts in the area. One of our favorite things about Whalers Village, it sits right on beautiful Ka'anapali Beach. We also have a dedicated video of the Ka'anapali Beach path from one end to the other. We'll link it at the top of the video and in the comments if you want to check it out. Below us at the Ohana Courtyard, you'll find a children's play area. Whalers Village hosts events throughout the week, such as complimentary ukulele and hula lessons. They even have a movie night on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Be sure to visit their website for updated information. We hope you enjoyed our walking tour of Whalers Village. Feel free to check out another one of our videos. Mahalo for watching.